Our forefathers were told some lies and then they didn't accept it. It was not easy for them to penetrate into them because they had no king that time. So there is nobody to go to and offer something and say, okay, you are the king. Make that decision, stand against this. Say this is what you want, and they will concur. Because all the elders from different families comes together to form the leaders, council of elders. So it was not easy for maybe one or two people to say, okay, fine, we make decision and this happens. So everybody is interested in the community affair. So when they came, they said a lot of things. Okay, our forefathers were like, why do you want to offer us this in exchange of this one we have? We don't know what this is for, this one we have. We don't know what it's for, but we believe that it's more precious than what you're offering us. Don't worry, we won't take it. Because they were not concerned of taking what belongs to other people. They were concerned, our forefathers were concerned about, let us use what we have and work with it. No matter what we get, we are comfortable. They don't look into taking something that belongs to other people. They aren't land grabbers. Therefore, they cannot sell their lands to people. Do you understand that? So they went back and came back and reported to the queen. You know, these people are very difficult. The West and the North are easy. They understand us and they just want to walk along, play along, whatever you give them, they appreciate. But those people, they are actually, as in, they need more explanation before you can be able to penetrate them. And there is nothing like a king that we speak to that will say, okay, fine. On behalf of my community, I've decided to do this. So to be an Igbo man is something special. I feel so special to be an Igbo man. Forget about what's happening these days. They know what they have to pass through before they could be able to penetrate into our fathers, condemning our own religion. But when you look at it, our religion was not evil. There is no community you go to that you will not see good, bad, and evil. You see all these things. But in as much as our forefathers were concerned, if you do evil, they will banish you from the community. They will banish you. They will take you out. If you buy people, if you are someone that does something evil, they don't like it. So things were very okay with them. They were very contented with what they have. And you cannot just come and tell them, okay, let us take this thing and offer you this, and they will just be happy. No. They are well-dictated people, and they know what it means to not to cross their own boundary. So don't cross their boundary, they will not cross yours. That's who they were. And that was why they tried and did everything possible to make sure that they condemned our religion. And from there, they entered. But as well, to be an Igbo man is something special. And I'll give you more details later.